So let's check, for example, from this point to this point. We have 0 ohm in the multimeter, means these points are connected together. Let's check the path, as you can see, because the 2 points exist in the same path. Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to follow the paths in electronic boards. So as you can see here, all these are paths. As you can see, these paths connect the components to each other. Okay, I'm going to show you how to follow these paths using the multimeter. I'm going also to show you how to test and check the serviceability of cables in order to know if the cable is good or not. So let's get started. Of course, we gonna use the multimeter and we gonna select the continuity option. As you can see here, this is the continuity option. So as you can see here in this circuit board, here for example, we have a path. As you can see, this green color means a path. This path connect these 4 points. Okay, so the 4 points should be shorted to each other because all points exist in the same path. As you can see in the multimeter, we have 0 ohm, means all points are connected together. But for example, this point is not connected to others because it exists in another path. Okay, here also, as you can see, all these points are connected together because all points exist in one path. So let's check, for example, these 2 points. We have 0 ohm in the multimeter. So let's check, for example, from this point to this point. We have 0 ohm in the multimeter, means these points are connected together. Let's check the path, as you can see, because the 2 points exist in the same path. Let's check another path, this time a smaller one. So let's check from this point to this point. As you can see, we have 0 ohm, means the 2 points are connected together. So let's follow the path. As you can see, the path, as you can see, connects the 2 points. That's why we get 0 ohm. Let's check this also. As you can see here, so the 2 points are connected together because the 2 points exist in the same path. Okay, so this is the working principle of how you can troubleshoot any circuit board based on just the path. Okay, now let's check the cables. Here we have a power cable, as you can see, with the 3 terminals, of course. So we're gonna check this cable using the multimeter, of course. So here, as you can see, we have 3 terminals. We have the line and neutral and the ground. So let's check the ground first using the multimeter, of course. As you can see, we have a low resistance in the multimeter, about 0 ohm, means the wire is not cut. Let's check this also. We should find 0 ohm. We have about 0 ohm. Okay, means this is good also. Let's check the other cable. Here also we have a low resistance, 0 ohm. So means this cable is a good cable. Okay, this is a serviceable cable. So let's check another cable. So this time we have a cable without ground. Okay, we have this kind of cable without ground. So it contains basically 2 wires, 2 terminals. Let's check the first terminal. Good, it's not cutted. Let's check the second wire. As you can see, we have a low resistance, means also good. Now let's see an experiment in order to understand clearly the continuity working principle. Let's connect one side of this wire to one probe of the multimeter and the other 3 ends to the second probe of the multimeter. Okay, now we connect the probes of the multimeter to this wire. Now let's power on the multimeter. As you can see, we have 0 ohm. Okay, means continuity. If we cut the wire, you can see we have 1 in the multimeter, means open, means there is no continuity.